Hello, hello. Welcome back. It's Lori and my friend Sharon from North Bay. So she's here. We're celebrating Michigan blueberry season. Really peak season right now.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah,
we're having a great season so far.
I'm so glad. It's really, we don't need to, I feel like it can't be overstated, the nutrient density of blueberries. I think it was kind of one of those original fruits that was understood in mass, like this is a superfood, you know? Yep. So we really love promoting blueberries, and for us, sure, like the health and nutrition benefits are a big part of it, but all fruits and vegetables are healthy choices. So the biggest reason we love promoting these Michigan blueberries is because of the flavor. These are just such delicious, such a delicious fruit, such a delicious snack, and today we've got a really cool recipe, like a classic favorite, especially at this time of year. I find myself making this dish all the time. So go ahead and tell everyone what we're making.
All right, we're gonna make a blueberry chicken salad. So instead of some of the other fruits that you might see naturally in a chicken salad, like grapes, I think a lot of people put grapes in their chicken salad.
I do.
I do
are
too.
You gonna?
Yeah, I might convert you.
Okay, all right,
you might be a blueberry.
And I've done it with apples.
Yep, I have too. Yep.
Which is delicious, and it gives a nice crunch. And sometimes I'll drop the celery if I do the apples.
Yes.
But, so I see we've got the celery, we've got the red onion. We've got, obviously, this is like a mayo and Greek yogurt mix.
Yep.
Okay.
And then you can balance that back and forth depending on how much fat or less fat you want. So you can do fat-free Greek yogurt, a little less mayonnaise, but you want to have both combinations in there. You don't want to just go with one or the other.
Like from a flavor point of view, again, like some people aren't huge mayonnaise fans. Some people aren't huge Greek yogurt fans. This blend, I think, helps kind of balance out that tanginess of really both the yogurt and the mayonnaise. It's a little bit halvesies.
I think it's a nice blend. I've used this a lot for a few years, and I'm so glad that Greek yogurt has come out like
super
everywhere.
Yeah,
because I really hated making it myself.
Right. And made it easy with just rotisserie chicken. Or did you poach the chicken?
No, actually, I bought rotisserie chicken, and they had already taken it off the bone for me. Ooh. So I was like, this is great. It was
Thank you, Grocery Deli.
Yes, thank you. I was so excited when I grabbed that. I was like, and it's all chicken breast. So
that's great. So it's all white meat.
It's all white meat. Yeah. So I was really excited about it. So that's about the amount of, if you did a full chicken dark and white, that would be about the amount of chicken you would have.
3 cups, 4 cups maybe of pulled chicken here. Yep.
And
the good news about chicken salad, it's kind of like you just mix till it looks and tastes right.
Exactly.
I'm
going to be doing
there's
some
a recipe.
here.
I'm sure we'll share a recipe, but one reason I think I make it all the time is I hate measuring stuff.
Yeah, I'm not a measurer. It's horrible. When I bake,
we've got a great recipe for you today.
When I bake, I measure. When I cook, I'm kind of winging a little bit, but I always have at least an idea. I know, and you gotta know by feel and by sight too.
All right, so that's a cup.
Cup.
Diced celery. That's probably going to be, I don't know, that's probably 4 or 5 stalks of celery that have been diced up fine.
Yep, and I did about a 1/3 cup. I mean, if you like more onion, add more onion. If you like less onion.
And it kind of depends too, like, are you using a sweet onion? Are you using a spicy onion? You know, so that can also affect the volume that you use in onion, but this is like a nice, like I'm assuming this is a sweet red at this time of year.
And if you want to take a little bit of that harshness off the onion, you can always rinse it in cold water.
Yeah, baby. Great hack.
Yes.
All right.
And then we're going to add the blueberries in. So I've got about 2 cups of blueberries, and we rinse those.
So is that like 1 pint or?
That would probably be about 2 6-ounces or maybe a pint and a half. I would think, give or take.
You know what? Just go ahead and make it 2 pints,
yeah.
right? Support those North Bay growers.
Yeah, one of these in there if you really like blueberries. And then,
it's looking really good.
Yeah, it's really colorful.
The colors are great in this.
And I'm just going to stir these 2 guys together just a smidge. And
all right, so half and half, like half yogurt, half mayonnaise.
I put a little bit more mayonnaise, but you can really go by your taste.
Okay.
And then I have some dried mustard powder, and that's about a 1/2 teaspoon.
And I always add my mayonnaise when I'm making chicken salad. I add it kind of slowly or in batch because once you add too much, unless you got more chicken and diced up veggies and more blueberries sitting around, it's not gonna work. You can always add a little bit more. So of the mayo.
Yes. So now that that's pretty.
And that dried mustard powder is a really good That's a really good tip.
Let's start with that.
All right, I'll start stirring.
Yeah.
And we'll see how it comes together.
It's a lot of chicken, so I'm thinking.
So how do you like? I know we've got croissants. We've got some bib lettuce.
You know, if I could have followed endive, I would have used endive.
Ooh, yeah, that's.
You know,
it smells so good.
I like it all.
I do too, and I also just like it like this.
Me too.
It's so good.
And I'm going to add one more thing now that you've got it stirred up a little bit.
Okay. Ooh, some toasted walnuts.
Toasted walnuts. Now you can add as much or as little as you want. I'm a huge walnut fan.
I'm too, and they're so good for you.
Yeah, I did about a half a cup of walnuts, but you can do less if you want.
All right, I think we need more of the dressing.
I'm thinking so too.
So have you ever made this using a non-mayonnaise or yogurt base for anyone that doesn't like those? Have you done like a vinegar or a olive oil? I mean, I kind of feel like you probably could, but obviously traditional chicken salad has this creamy dressing base.
Yeah. How are you feeling on that dressing? I think we need a little bit more.
I think we can maybe take the spatula to it if we need more. I mean, I think this is fine. Also, chicken salad is one of those things that you make a big batch of it, and then you can kind of eat on it, and you can always add, if it gets too dry, just add a little bit more dressing as you're serving it.
Just a little bit more.
Okay.
Just because there was so much.
Yeah. Perfect. Oh yeah, this is looking great.
Yep. And then we're gonna finish.
And then for seasoning, we obviously added that mustard, that dry mustard powder into the dressing first, and then you're just gonna season the mixed up.
Yep. I'm gonna do just salt and pepper. I got some flake salt here.
Great. Flake salt, black pepper.
And a very heavy dose of black pepper.
Love it.
I love your pepper grinder, by the way.
Thanks.
It's pretty nice. There we go.
That's heavy. It almost made me sneeze right on top of the chicken salad.
My bad. But
coming
I love
together
my pepper.
really well. Look at this. Alex, you gotta zoom in on this. This is just looking so delicious.
I love the little blueberries. They just bring such a nice little color pop.
And you know what? I think this is, I was just gonna say, that is my favorite. This might be my new go-to because I gotta taste it first, but I think I'm gonna love it. I love that I didn't have to sit here and cut up 2 pounds of grapes.
Exactly.
But much love to the grape guys. I'll still put grape. I'll still put them in my chicken salad. Don't worry.
Yes.
But on days where I'm like, I gotta get this done quick.
That's right.
Everyone, this is okay.
Very easy.
All right, Sharon, what's next?
That's it.
That's it.
That's it. You get a fork. I got a fork right here for you.
Okay, so I can try it.
Yeah, we gotta try, and then we can always. There's a couple different ways. I
make sure I get some good blueberries in there.
There you go. Get a good bite. Good flavor. Yeah.
Well, yeah. Okay. I took such a big bite. Okay. Great flavor. And the burst of the berries when you bite into them, it gives you that same sensation of your traditional
super easy
yeah,
too.
It's very good. I really like the walnuts. I don't know if I've ever made chicken salad with walnuts in it.
Yep.
So
I do like the walnuts.
I like that a lot. It's a great
blueberries
addition.
and walnuts are a great combination too.
And classic combination.
Yeah. Yep. With a lot of sweet.
This gets an A+. From if I'm the teacher and she's the student, this is an A+. And anyone who comes to my house this summer, this is on the menu.
Awesome. I'm so glad you liked this.
Great recipe, Sharon. All right, so I know you've brought a few ways to suggestive ways to serve this. So we've got some croissants that we bought literally from the grocery store bakery. And Sharon's got some big lettuce.
I love ice cream scoopies. These are the best. I love ice cream scoops.
Yeah.
Because you can portion control.
You know what we do with that? We make cookies with that scoop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yep. I've got so many different kinds. So you can make it like that. I've got one of these little guys, and these little babies are great for.
Oh yeah, that's a perfect size. I could totally. This is for anyone that's hosting, obviously, I feel like chicken salad croissants are like iconic baby bridal shower food.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Right?
I mean, I'm almost.
Is it even a bridal shower without the chicken salad croissant?
Say that.
No, it's not.
Like I get very depressed if I go to a shower and there is not chicken salad on a little tray. I love chicken salad. And it's
I do too.
About the only time I ever really go out and eat it, and just expect it. And want it.
These are also great served open face on the little party rise or bagel chips.
Yeah.
Gosh, and like I said, when I make a big batch of it like this, sometimes I'll just do like a bed of baby greens, and then I'll put this on top and eat it like a salad.
Oh yeah, I love it.
It's really good.
Good stuff. So,
well,
there you go.
A+, right?
Excellent. Glad you liked it.
I loved it. So Michigan blueberry season's happening now. I'm sure you'll see that North Bay logo in the produce department. I say it all the time, but we only work with brands we believe in and love, and North Bay's one of them. I mean, Sharon was one of the first people that we actually started working with at North. North Bay was one of the very first brands that worked with the produce moms. So we certainly have so much gratitude and respect, and every year I get up to Michigan.
I know, I love it.
And we celebrate the blueberry season in Michigan with the North Bay growers. So thank you to all the growers who have welcomed me to the farm and supported that educational process. All it does is just helps us help you. The more we know about this food, the more we're able to get on the farms and experience it. It just allows us to be a better advocate and that transparent voice, fact-based voice for our community. So.
Yeah,
truly appreciate it.
Up there.
Thank you. I truly appreciate it. And more importantly than all that, thanks for growing such a great, delicious fruit, right? I mean, it's like, it is the best.
Yes.
So,
great industry that we're in.
Happy blueberry season.
Yes.